Hello guys, welcome to How to Channel. In this video we're going to learn how to make money on opay. Before we continue, please take a few seconds to subscribe and click the notification button. Opay is an e-payment wallet, launched by Opera Software. There are several ways you can make money on opay. 1. Daily free cashback. You can earn 10 Naira every day on opay, just by clicking this button. 2. Referral. You can also earn money through referral, just by sending your referral link to your friends. 'You can also earn money by buying airtime, data and paying other bills. The easiest way to earn huge income is by making investment. Opay has flexible and fixed investment plan. The best thing about O-Wallet flexible investment is that you can withdraw your investment anytime you want. You can earn 30% of your investment every year. In fixed savings, you cannot withdraw your investment until the due date, but your interest rate is higher than that of the O-Wallet. In our next video, we are going to learn how to take up to 150,000 loan from opay in few easy steps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification button, so that you will be notified on more of our awesome videos.